So great news, as luck would have it, Nakai-san has a 997 GT3 kit in Japan. He's got a few pieces he needs to put together, but otherwise we'll get it in time. The kit will be done and built on the 17th. It'll then be airshipped to us for the 24th. At that point, we have to get it painted immediately. The other component that will take quite a bit of time are these bespoke wheels we need from Super Speed. So Super Speed wheels is bending over backwards to get these wheels built in time for us so that we can have them before the end of the month. Another thing that we're going to do to give that car a more unique look and also protect it is to put on XPEL Stealth and Fusion Plus. XPEL Stealth is a PPF that once applied gives a glossy finish, a satin look. And finally, there is a list of other products and parts that we need to give it that unique look. And we're going to source all those parts from eBay Motors.